anyways, today is day 2 of the conference. I'm catching like the second part of it. I spent the morning just like getting a ton of work done. I felt so motivated after yesterday. I was like, I need to get my life together. I need to like, you know, put in some work this morning. So I'm really proud of everything that I got done. So I'm excited just to see, you know, how the second day goes. There's like a bunch of competitions, who wins, so like the speaker. So I'm just ready to be inspired again. So let's go.
多位，咁而每位評判咧係會根據4個評分準則啦去俾分嘅，包括第一創新同埋創意，第二市場潛力營商。
Hey guys, so we're here at Happy Valley. It's a beautiful day in Hong Kong. We're gonna watch our friend Kevin play his rugby game. I'm wearing my prescription sunglasses. If you guys haven't ever checked out prescription sunglasses, you totally should. Shout out to my parents, they got me, these are great. But yeah, Happy Valley is like a really great place to come and like work out. It's like such a gorgeous day outside. I love the weather.